Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Debbie, and if you are not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Click that button down below and subscribe. So today is this classic, iconic, my version, my interpretation of Christmas holiday makeup look. Okay, we have the liner, lashes, lips, got it going on. Look at that highlight though, like just look at it. Is it not just like everything? And you guys, all drugstore. That was the point of this video today. I wanted all drugstore, affordable, easy to find, local drugstore. And you don't need high-end makeup. This right here is just everything. Look at this. Like, I'm not even lying. Look at this. Are you kidding me? Like, look at this highlight. Look at these lips. Look at this lashes, liner. What? Like, all right. So if you guys want to see how I came up with this look, then just keep on watching. So as you can see, brows are filled in and done. Now we are just going to move on to the face, and yes, I'm starting off with face today. So for primer, you guys, first I'm going to go in with this Rimmel Stay Matte Fix and Go. This is a 2-in-1 primer and setting spray. This one right here. And I'm just going to spray this all over my face. All right, so today I'm gonna use something different. I'm gonna go in with this one from Milani. This is another primer. This is the Milani Prime Light. And this is a face primer, strobing and pore minimizing primer. All right guys, so now moving on to foundation. This is the Maybelline Full Coverage 24-Hour Foundation. I just picked up a new bottle, and this is in the shade Natural Beige 220. This is actually my winter shade, so, but I also like this foundation. I like the fact that I'm using this foundation with this primer right here because it's gonna balance off. This is a, what is this? This is a strobing one, so it's gonna give you like an illuminating look, but at the same time, I am using a matte foundation, but this isn't really like 100% matte, so, but it is going to be like a happy medium, you know what I mean? So I'm just gonna go in with this foundation and my Damp Real Techniques sponge. All right, so moving on to concealer, I'm gonna go in with this one from Maybelline. This is the Fit Me Concealer in the shade 20 Sand. And I don't know if I mentioned in the video earlier, but I am trying to just stick to drugstore and affordable products. All right, now I'm gonna go on and blend everything with my Real Techniques sponge again. All right, so to cream contour, I'm gonna go in with this one from LA Girl. This is their Pro Conceal in the shade Chestnut. I'm gonna go in with my Real Techniques buffing brush. All right, so now I'm just gonna grab my Real Techniques sponge and just blend out that nose contour, just because I don't want, you know, those two straight lines going down my nose to be too harsh. Even though it's winter, you wanna look bronzy, no. And also we're looking really illuminated, that's what we're looking like. So I'm really loving that primer, really do like it. I don't know if it's doing much for my pores, but I don't know. I guess I'll see throughout the night. But this is really looking good. All right, so to set that cream contour, I'm gonna go in with this Milani Baked Bronzer in the shade Glow. And I'm using my Sigma Large Angled Contour F40 brush. To set my under eye, I'm gonna grab a little bit of this Rimmel Stay Matte Loose Powder. And to set my under eye, I'm gonna use my Real Technique setting brush. I'm also gonna go in and set the lid. I'm also gonna go in with this e.l.f. blush palette, and this is the light one. So this is what it looks like right here. And I think I'm gonna go in with this shade here and this shade here. So we're just gonna mix them and apply it on the apples of the cheek and just give us some color. I'm just gonna go back in with that angled brush that I applied the bronzer and just blend everything together. All right, so for eyes, I'm actually gonna use that same palette from e.l.f. and I'm grabbing this blending brush right here, and I'm just going to use that on as a transition shade, and also just apply it all over the lid, just like that. Just want a wash of color, that's all we want. And since I've been going crazy with all these glam looks, I just want to do something quick and easy and simple, you know, because not a lot of people want to get all glammed. I mean, I know I'm probably just going to go to this classic look right here, you know, little color on the eyes and just a wing liner and maybe some lashes and a nice bold red lip. And honestly, that look is just classic and iconic, that you can just do that look and it just goes with everything and anything. It could be dressed up, dressed down, it just doesn't matter, you know, just in my opinion. So yeah, I'm going over this like so many times, but just want to make sure it looks pretty good, you know. And now what I'm gonna do is I think I'm gonna add just a little bit of a different color just to add a little bit of definition to the eye. All right, so I'm gonna go in with a different palette. This is the Rimmel London Spice Edition palette, and I'm just gonna grab another brown just to darken up and give my eye a little bit of definition. And with that, I'm just grabbing a brush from BH Cosmetics, and you can just grab any brush and just add a little bit of definition to the eye, just like that. It doesn't have to be crazy neat. It can be messy, because what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go and blend everything out with the blending brush. Just like that. I'm gonna grab that blending brush again and just blend everything. All right, so now I'm gonna go in with this liquid liner. This is from Jessie's Girl. I believe you can find this at Rite Aid, Walmart. I got this from Amazon, but this is really still so affordable that I got eyeshadow on my hair. Where's, well, I don't know what that is. Bronzer or something, I don't know. I'm like a mess. All right, so anyway, so yeah, I believe you can get those at one of those drugstores. So yeah, like I said, I got mine off of Amazon, but it's so good, like so good for the price. All right, now that I'm done applying eyeliner, I'm gonna go off camera and apply these Kiss number 11 lashes. And when I'm done, I will be right back. All right guys, so I'm back, and as you can see, I already finished applying my lashes, and now I'm gonna go back into this palette, grab that same brush, and I'm just going to apply a little bit of the shadow on the lower lash line. I'm also going to apply a little bit of mascara because my eyes are just not balanced. I need to have them balanced out. Looks like I have absolutely no lashes on the bottom, so mascara is a must. Alright, so looking at my eyes, I feel like it's missing something, so I'm going to add a little bit of this pencil eyeliner from Rimmel. This is Black Magic. Alright, so before I move on to the lips, I'm going to go in with highlighter first, and this is from Wet n Wild. This is in the shade Holy Gold Head, and this isn't a limited edition one. So I'm just going to apply this on the high point right here. Oh yeah. Tell me if that don't look good. And of course we're gonna add a little bit on the Cupid's bow before going in with lip liner and all that good stuff. You guys, I did not realize that I don't own an affordable red lip liner, so I'm going to have to purchase one soon just to have, but I do own this MAC Cherry, right? Is this Cherry? Yeah, this Cherry lip pencil. And that's what I'm going to use to line my lips. This is the only thing that is not drugstore, so I apologize. So I'm just going to line my lips. And now for lipstick, I'm going to go in with this one from Milani. This is in the shade Matte Confident. And to top that off, I'm going to go in with my NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Cherry Pie. And you know what, you guys, I'm going to go in with a little bit of highlighter. I'm going to grab this brush from Sigma. This is the shader Inner Corner brush. And I'm just going to add a little bit of that highlight onto the inner corner. Just because, why not, you know? Why not apply a little bit of brightness onto the inner corner, you know? So, to finish off the look, now I'm going to go in with my NYX Dewy Setting Spray. Alright guys, so this is the final look. What do you guys think? This is my version of the classic holiday makeup look. You have your winged liner, your lashes, check, check. You have your highlighter, check, lips, red bold, and glossy. Absolutely love it. This look goes with everything and anything. Dress it up, dress it down, doesn't matter. You just look absolutely amazing. And you could definitely change the lip to a nude lip if you would like, and just go for that classic liner, you know, and lashes and a little bit of highlight, because you can't like not have a highlight, you know. It just completes the look. Look at this. I mean, isn't it gorgeous? Ugh, love it. So I feel like this is going to be the look that I'm going to be doing for Christmas Eve and Christmas Day dinner. Yeah, just because it goes with everything and anything. It's just so classic, you know, duh. So yeah, I hope you guys have a happy holiday, Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, all the holidays, whatever you celebrate, enjoy it with your family, friends, whoever it is that you celebrate it with, just be happy. And you guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't yet, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.